Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Roman numerals.
What does the dictionary say?
The letters used by the Romans for the representation of cardinal numbers, still used occasionally today. The integers are represented by the following letters: I equals 1, V equals 5, X equals 10, L equals 50, C equals 100, D equals 500, and M equals 1000.
Math rap.
Over 2,000 years ago, the Romans invented using letters so numbers can be represented. The letter I is 1 and 5 is V, X is 10, 500 D.
Math rap.
Why could ancient numerals never stay in one place at one time? Because they were always Roman. Explain Roman numerals in your own words. Invent your own new system for numbers. Share with the class. Write out the following numbers in Roman numerals: 1, 5, 10, 14, 20, 51, 59. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!